Alright, we are back at the Glenrose Rehabilitation Hospital in Edmonton, Alberta, where we have the old Vintage Otis Hydraulic Elevators that are occurring in the process of modernization. And here we are giving an update on how the process is going on. Right now they are doing work on the in the inside of elevator 5, took out the old cab and the old COP and still walk through it again. And let's take another ride on this old Beauty before it goes bye-bye. Yes, once this one's done, this thing will be next. Let's take another ride. Here we go. And it's here. See, here's your cab. Okay, let's go up the 3. Here will be modernized with the same picture like on Audi. Here we are at 3. And here's like 3, still same thing there. And I see the cars up there in the process of modernization. Look at that. You can see it through there. You can see it down into the shaft. Go down at 2, see what it's like on 2. Back at 2. See, same thing. The old indicators there, still the old call station, like the old indicator where we take out very short minutes call station where we replace once this is done. Let's go down to the water. Again, your old indicator that would be going by. So let's see it. Going down there. Here we are at the NL. See, it's the same thing. There we go. And then the whole cockpit here. And over here is the machine room. Let's listen to the machine. And now let's go back and go back up the G. See, same thing there. And then your old call station, which will be going bye-bye once this is done. And you'll indicate that with an entry.
Hey man, how's it going?
Yeah.
See inside?
Yeah. Here's the elevator. Just going to show what it's like. And then what you see is this inside the shaft of the elevator has been modernized. Oh, new parts in there. Wow.
Yeah, new jack.
New jack and everything. It's coming along good. Thank you so much. Let's go this back. No indicator that's going bye-bye.
Have a good one, man.
Yeah, thank you.